The tempter will encourage you. Try one. Go on, have two. Three won't hurt, then he's got you. Four becomes five, then six, seven, eight, and nine. And that's how the devil steals people's time. At 10 a.m., one guy had the urge to watch one video. He didn't plan to stay. He eventually landed on porn and wasted his whole day. He had a productive to-do list, things with purpose and meaning. By the time he checked the clock, it was 6 p.m. in the evening. How did it happen? It started with one, just one. One video gives the enemy access to start working on your brain. Before you know it, you're trapped, hooked on his chain. You forget you actually have work to get done. By the time you realize, hours have gone. If you fell, I understand, bro, you regret what you've done. But we can't stay on the floor. Let's continue to run. The enemy would love you to sit, stop, and settle in your sin. No way, don't stay there. You have a race to win. You have the grace to win. It might feel like you wasted today, but let's gather at 9 p.m. and let's pray. That's why we gather weekly. This is one of the reasons we meet, to remind each other that purity is still possible. Please, bro, don't accept defeat. Okay? Don't accept defeat.